Today, we're going to continue looking at Slides.io, the extension that can help your brand or company or course create slides for whatever means you need. So, yesterday, we created our slides using the extension, as you can see here. And today, we're going to look on how you can edit using the Plus AI for Google. So, let's go ahead and edit with Plus AI. So, now it will open us a tab here in the right of all the options and stuff we can do using their AI. So let's just wait a second for it to open up. Okay, so now, as you can see here in the insert, you can add new slides. So let's say you want to add more information that the AI didn't put. So you can have the title, description, the theme that you want, and even choose a layout from these layouts right here, as you can see. So you just have to put the details and boom, you can have a new slides. But let's say you have a slide that you already like, but something's wrong with it. Let's say something just doesn't feel right. So you can rewrite slides. So you can provide here the text, notes of the things that you want to do, or just select a preset one and just go ahead and rewrite selected text like this. Or you can go ahead and rewrite the entire slides, which is really cool. Here we have the remix option. So we can go ahead and remix the slides. Let's say they have all the information you need, they look great, but something just doesn't feel right, something is off. You can go ahead and remix the slides. So the AI will make another attempt at making the slides with the information and design that it already had. So it will change some things just so it can help see if it hits the right notes for you and your brand. And here, the last option is a simple design. You can change the title, colors, the theme. So you can see here, primary text, the brand colors. Pretty simple stuff. So those were the edit options with this extension plus AI for Google Slides. So if you like it, you can just go ahead and edit using the Google Marketplace for Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser. I hope you enjoyed today's slides.